Hello everyone, my name's Chad and this is the all-new 2023 Nissan Ariya electric crossover, the most advanced model Nissan has ever produced. You may have heard of Nissan Next, the company's ambitious global transformation plan that includes introducing 10 new Nissan models in just 20 months. A veritable A to Z. The A is the Ariya and the Z is the all-new Nissan Z. Both of which you see here on stage, and both are expected to go on sale starting in 2022. In between the A and Z have been a full range of new models: Rogue, Armada, Sentra, and most recently, the 2022 Nissan Frontier and Pathfinder. But right now, it's my pleasure to give you a closer look at the exciting Ariya and tell you how you can be first in line to buy or lease one by reserving your new Ariya today. Nissan has long been an innovator in electric vehicle technology, going back to 1947. The Nissan Leaf, the world's first mass production EV, came to market more than 10 years ago. Now, Ariya leverages Nissan's years of EV experience to deliver the best of Nissan's design, technology, and performance. Built on an all-new EV-dedicated platform, the body is characterized by a distinctive Japanese approach, conveyed in a simple yet powerfully modern way. It's sleek, sexy, and seamless. The front is elegant and fresh, highlighted by thin LED headlamps constructed with 4 crystal cube mini projectors. The rear is equally striking, characterized by a steeply raked roofline that blends flawlessly into the rear deck. Inside, Ariya's striking interior is more akin to a sleek cafe lounge rather than a traditional automotive cabin. The flat open floor, made possible by the low battery location, and the slim profile zero-gravity seats result in a relaxing openness with vast amounts of legroom and easy interaction between all passengers. Ariya's minimalist instrument panel is devoid of the usual buttons and switches. The driver interface features a dual widescreen display with both a 12.3-inch instrument monitor and 12.3-inch center display along a single horizon. With its advanced connectivity features, you can control all of your compatible devices and smart home using little more than your voice, interacting with your vehicle in a whole new way. Along with the spacious fold-down second-row seat, Ariya also offers a large, flexible cargo area. Ariya features liquid-cooled lithium-ion batteries and provides up to an estimated 300 miles of range for Venture Plus front-wheel drive only. Ariya also supports up to 130 kilowatts of fast charging using the Combined Charging Standard, or CCS, and can provide a 125-mile range after approximately 15 minutes of charging. That's pretty quick. Ariya's single-motor front-wheel drive models deliver up to 238 horsepower, while the advanced dual-motor e-Force all-wheel drive models produce up to 389 horsepower. The E in e-Force stands for the twin electric motor drive system, with 4 representing all-wheel control for seamless power delivery and enhanced all-climate traction. That's only half the Ariya performance story, though. Thanks to its low-mounted battery, high-performance shock absorbers, and multi-link rear suspension, handling is superb, with front-to-rear weight balance nearly 50-50. Ariya also takes assisted driving to a new level with the available ProPilot Assist 2.0, whether it's stop-and-go freeway traffic, around slight curves, and even lane changes. The new ProPilot Park can take you into your parking space hands-free. The new Ariya is also equipped with Standard Safety Shield 360, a suite of 6 active safety features available in most current Nissan models. You can learn more about this incredible 2023 Ariya at nissanusa.com/Ariya or right here in the display at the show. MSRP of Venture Plus starts in the mid-40s for the front-wheel drive Ariya, and MSRP starts around $59,000 for the long-range all-wheel drive Ariya. Now, here's the best news of all. Reservations are now being taken for 4 select Ariya models: 3 long-range front-wheel drive versions and the ultimate Ariya, the all-wheel drive Platinum e-Force. The reservations journey couldn't be easier, and it can be initiated at your local Nissan dealer or online at participating Nissan at-home dealers. First, you'll select the Ariya of your choice, including model, range, drive configuration, and of course, color. Next, you place a fully refundable $500 reservation fee and select an EV certified Nissan dealer near you. The dealer will then contact you to confirm your delivery details. When your new Ariya is ready, you can complete the purchase at the dealership. And if purchasing from a participating Nissan buy-at-home dealership, you can get your new Ariya delivered to your house. Deliveries are expected to begin next fall, 2022. Then it's years of enjoying your thrilling new all-electric Ariya. And one more thing, the first 10,000 customers who reserve a 2023 Ariya by January 31st, 2022 and meet other eligibility requirements can get a 2-year EVgo membership with $500 of EVgo charging credit. That's worth an estimate of up to 5,000 miles of driving. Pretty cool, right? Ariya, it's time to enter the new era of EV crossover performance, design, and capability today.